Oh, hi guys, we're back with another video. And today we're gonna play Roblox. Roblox, hide and seek, because I was playing with my cousin. Like, literally, this game is fun to me. This game is like really 100% fun for me, so I'm just gonna play this game. Click right here, starting Roblox. Okay. It's NBA Roblox game. Remember, add me on Roblox. If you guys haven't yet, remember to add me. Oh, my screen. Perfect. No, Roblox. I'm just gonna cut until he either finds everybody or the time runs out. See you guys when that happens. Oh, okay. Now the guy who lost, he did. There was only 3 more people left, and he didn't win. The kitchen. Sorry, I'm just making sure my recording is on. I know some got spots. We were in the kitchen or I think we were in the store. Yeah, store. Hurry up. Okay, we gotta go. I'm zoomed. Oh my god, no, I'm zoomed out too much. Zooming out a bit. Okay, perfect. Bye. Right here, and look, I found a god spot. I was gonna hide over there. And of course, there's a lot of people hiding over here. There's 4, and there's 5 more people out here somewhere. That card that I'm actually showing, it's negative. Actually, no, edited out. Nobody hear that part. Oh my god, I've never seen this part before. Of course, leave a like button if you don't want. Oh, my battery's running low. People. I'm always prepared. Okay. No. If you don't want, you better like and subscribe. If you don't like, subscribe. All these spiders will crawl on your face while you're sleeping, so you better like and subscribe, or the spiders gonna crawl on your face while you're sleeping. While you're sleeping. So you better hit that like button and subscribe. Better subscribe, and we gotta go. Is that it? Oh no, it's not. Okay. I'm talking. I spectate it. I want to see where it is. Oh my god, he's never gonna find me. Right here, right here. Can I hit the slide button and I will make this jump? Better hit it. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Now, thank you for liking and subscribe. If you don't want those spiders to crawl on your face while you're sleeping, don't risk it. It'll actually come true. Don't risk it, so don't risk. You better do it. You better do it. Is that it? No, it's not it. He's getting even closer. Oh, he's getting even farther. Farther. Off. Farther, farther, farther. Oh my god. We won. I'm just gonna celebrate. Oh, I see it. It's right there. You see? It's right there. I fell. We won. We won. All 4 people are hiding with each other. Viking twins. Okay. Nine 9.5% chance. Work, please, please, I won't be it. One more round of being it, and that's it's the workshop. It's the workshop, and guess what? I know perfect hiding. If you guys didn't know, right here is where you teleport up on top of the whiteboard. So let's go ahead and hide up here. And now I'm up. Oh my god. Leave a like. No. Stop doing leave a like. I'm scared. I'm gonna press the timer. Oh, each round is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 4 minutes is each round. Oh my god. I might have to cut it like until like when that's like a minute left, and I have to probably cut that out so that it can be quicker. Or I might just keep playing until I'm meant and start the recording back on. Matter of fact, I might do it after this round. Is that? No. No, I fell. Where's it? Where's it? It's getting closer. Where the heck is it? Oh, I see. If I never... Oh no. Jump off, because I know she's behind me. I better go. It's like she's chasing me. She's chasing me. She's chasing me. Joker. 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 I juked her. I juked her. I juked her. I just juked her. And she left because she's scary. Hold on. My like, please end. No, I'm not ending the record. I'm ending the recording. Not yet, though. Come on, please order me it. 10% chance. What? This is good, so when I play with my cousin, I can tell him the god spots. I'm gonna be like, I've been playing by myself with you guys, basically, with you guys. My favorite, no, my family's my favorite, but your guys are the most favorite that I like. No, I said that wrong. You guys are my third. No, this is like my. I always look out. I'm like always looking for making. I wouldn't say I was. Oh, I'm saying it wrong. Like, I'm not saying I'm always making videos, but I'm making videos for y'all. Get me. It is getting closer to me. I gotta go hide. I'm gonna go hide somewhere. Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna teleport up there. Ready? I'm making a video. Bailey. I know. Sorry about that. I just had to handle something. Let's get back into the recorder. I swear, if this ends at 15 minutes, I'm not done yet. But I'm gonna risk it. If it ends the recording, remember it's gonna be at the 15-minute mark. And I believe your maximum video on this app is supposed to be 15 minutes. So that's a fun fact if you're watching Elijah. No, that's a fact if anybody's using this app. And including, I know Elijah's using this app, so Elijah, if you use it it's better to use on a computer because it has a camera on top, and that's better. And I believe on the computer it's supposed to be 15 minutes long. Let me see how, I know Elijah recorded a video on that, so let me see what it says. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, there's only two people left. Two people left. Oh, can I get on top of the lamp? God, spot. I'm gonna win.